Hello, educators and administrators. My name is Sucheta Kamath, and I'm the founder of ExQ. As you are well aware, we are in an educational crisis due to the current pandemic. Many schools have delayed fall start dates, and some are going online for the foreseeable future. Others are looking at hybrid models, while some are even working to create new in person, socially distant teaching environments. And the stress is palpable for all, for students, educators, and parents. During this chaotic time, we might be overlooking one critical component of student success: their executive function skills. These are the set of skills essential for managing time, organizing tasks, staying focused, and solving problems to achieve goals. In other words, strong executive function skills allow students to learn how to learn. Before the pandemic, traditional classrooms supported executive function through built-in cues and guidelines that prompted students to maintain their sustained attention and task initiation. In addition, by giving students a schedule to follow, teachers help them improve their planning and time management skills. Finally, in-person teacher and peer interactions allowed students to monitor their own behaviors and their own goals. Now that we have some experience with remote learning, we can clearly see that new ways of teaching and learning has put a strain on students' cognitive flexibility, self-efficacy, and emotional coping. Considering the fact that young brains are under construction and are evolving, they are not fully yet equipped to handle less structure, fluid transitions, and greater emphasis on self-regulated learning. And teachers too are needing to invest more effort in helping students stay connected while caring for those who may be falling behind because of their poor executive function skills. So, now more than ever, educators are realizing the need to prioritize the hidden curriculum of supporting and promoting the development of executive function, the process skills that make subject learning possible. Hence, we need to prioritize teaching executive function explicitly, systematically, and deliberately to all our students to help them connect academic behaviors with academic performance. The power to take action to support every middle school and high school student is within your reach, right now, all with ExQ. ExQ is a proven solution available for all teaching models that is rooted in more than 20 years of cognitive neuroscience practice. ExQ is a cloud-based, patented system designed to enhance executive function skills through personalized game-based training, all of which focuses on teaching students to learn how to learn. ExQ offers significant value for schools, including immediate cloud-based implementation with no software downloads, easy onboarding with an online teacher portal with fully prepared resources and a professional development curriculum, a host of student tools including engaging games, virtual coaching, video journaling, and metacognitive video lessons to train executive function, active built-in teaching, not passive assignments, individualized feedback for students to provide guidance for future learning, measurable real-time training results with data on student participation and progress via easy-to-understand reports. The time to make executive function training a core curriculum is now. Implementing executive function programs such as ExQ can only be achieved with a commitment from dedicated educational leaders like you. Your students and teachers are waiting. Contact us today to schedule a meeting with an ExQ team member. And remember, be bold, be safe, and have fun.